Students, this is Shashwati Miss. Hope you are all in good health. Now today I am going to teach you chapter 1, that is life process, and today in period 1 I am going to discuss about nutrition in plants. As you are taking the classes from home and I am also teaching you sitting at my home, because in present situation we all need to stay at home and I believe you are also at home. So I don't have any blackboard neither whiteboard, so all you have to do is you all have to keep yourself ready with pen and copy, and you need to observe the placard I will be holding. So today's topic is, that is chapter 1, life process, nutrition in plants. Now under nutrition in plants, the topic is photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? You all know, you all have read in junior classes. So I am going to recapitulate this in a little bit elaborate manner. So it is a process. Photosynthesis is a process. Process of what? Process by which green plants prepare their own food. So the process by which green plants prepare their own food is known as photosynthesis. And so what is photosynthesis? It is a process by definition. Now I will show you what is the exact definition. It is a process by which green plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, with the help of, with the help of carbon dioxide and water. I hope you all can see, with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Next, what is the result of photosynthesis? What happens when photosynthesis takes place? Now, the result is oxygen is released as a byproduct. So, the result is oxygen is released as a byproduct. Now, the process of photosynthesis can be represented by the following equation. So, all of you see, this is the equation: 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O, that is water molecules, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of water. It converts into C6H12O6, that is the formula of glucose, then oxygen, and of course water, that is in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. I again repeat, 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it gets converts into glucose, oxygen and water. Next, this water, from where does plants get this water? So plants take water from the soil. And from where do they get carbon dioxide? They get carbon dioxide from air. Okay. And after getting this two, it converts to glucose molecules. Where does it get converted? It gets converted in chloroplast. Okay. So we can say chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Site means place. Where does photosynthesis takes place? Now, from where does carbon dioxide enter the leaves? Carbon dioxide is taken by the leaves, is taken by the plants from the air. Now, from where do they enter? Carbon dioxide enter the leaves through tiny pores that is present on the leaf surface, and the tiny pores are known as stomata. Okay, and how water is taken up? This water is taken up with the help of roots from the soil. Okay, and sunlight provides energy to carry out this chemical reaction. Sunlight provides energy to carry out this chemical reaction. Now, when excess of glucose is formed, what happens to that? It gets converted into starch, S-T-A-R-C-H. So, it gets converted into starch, which is stored in the leaf. Now let us see what are the events of photosynthesis. That means what happens during photosynthesis. What are the things are going on. So first is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. That is trapping of sunlight by chlorophyll. Next is conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting up of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Next is, third is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Third is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. So what are the raw materials for photosynthesis? Raw materials for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. And what are the other requirements? That is sunlight and chlorophyll. So I hope the topic photosynthesis is clear to you all. And this question often comes, what are the events of photosynthesis? Where does the photosynthesis takes place? And what is the equation of photosynthesis? So these three things are very, very important. So students, you all learn these topics as it is a very simple topic. And in next period, that is period number 2, I will be discussing on nutrition in animals. Before to that, you all learn these topics and get prepared, and you will be getting worksheet also. So you try to work out those worksheets, and in period 2, I will be discussing on nutrition in animals. Till then, goodbye.